Hey guys, let's see how you can change the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C246D. This is the HybridCam Duo with two lenses, one fixed lens and one PT lens, okay? To change the Wi-Fi, you just need to reset the camera. There's no other option. When you come here to the camera menu, you see that I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, but there's no menu here to change. You see network connection. When I come here, there's a Wi-Fi backup because I have here a Tapo hub that I can back up the Wi-Fi, but there's no way to change it here. You just need to reset the camera to the factory default settings. And to reset the camera, if the camera is far away, you cannot come there to reset physically, or it's hard to get there to reset physically. You can just come here to the menu all the way down and go to remove camera. And from here, you're gonna remove. When I press here, you're gonna hear the camera being reset, right? So I just press here, wait.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
As you can hear, the camera says something that's being reset. And you're gonna see here the LED changes to steady red because the camera is being reset and is going to restart, right? Then it's gonna do the pan movement in the horizontal, the tilt movement in the vertical, and it's going to change here to start flashing red and green, right? Then you can just set up the camera again. It's a new setup, and then you can select the new Wi-Fi. So you just come here, see that the camera disappears from here. You come here in the Tapo app, hit the plus signal, add a new device, and select here indoor or outdoor camera. It doesn't matter because this is an indoor outdoor camera. Look for Tapo C246D. There we go, I have it here. And then I just check here that the camera is flashing red and green, which it is. Just confirm here. And now it's time to make the cell phone connect directly to the camera. It's not connecting to the router yet. It's going to connect to the camera, and then the cell phone will inform the camera which router to connect to. So just come here to your phone Wi-Fi and look for the camera signal, okay? It's the same if you're using an Android phone, it works the same way. Just look for the signal here. Sometimes it takes like 30, 40 seconds and even more than 1 minute, right? So just be patient. There we go, here's the camera. Just tap on it. Wait for it to connect. Then you come back to the app and there's this animation that shows that the camera was found by your cell phone. And now it's time to give the camera the information to connect to the Wi-Fi, okay? Which means your new Wi-Fi. So here's the router with the temp password for my router. Just hit next and next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, that's the first stage. You see here the LED is still steady red and it's going to change and become steady green. That's the final stage with the steady green, all right? Just wait for it to continue. There we go, see here the Alexa found the camera because I have Alexa already working here and I can just name the camera. Hit next. Select the location. You see that the LED here changes to steady green. Steady green. Hit next. Select the icon. Next again. And it's complete. I just skipped this 30-day trial for the cloud storage. I have the SD card already there. Got it. Got it here for the firmware update. And the camera is good to go. I'm just put it there and continue here. Got it, next, next. Tabletop mount, that's okay. Click here to preview and I have my camera working, right? Done, and I have the camera working here. Pretty fine, right? So that's one way to go, and you have your camera already working here. And the other way to go is just to use here a paperclip. Open this flap and insert paperclip here to reset the camera, okay? So just insert the paperclip here, hold for a while, and it's going to reset. I have another video here in the channel showing how to reset physically, right? And then you can change the Wi-Fi accordingly, right? So there's no other way, you just need to reset your camera to make it work. Unfortunately, you need to do this. There's no direct way to just change the Wi-Fi without resetting, right? So I hope that helps. That's the way you can just change the Wi-Fi on your Tapo C246D. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.